Hi cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Tata from BT21. So let's get started. To draw Tata, we're going to first start by drawing his mouth area. So I'm going to start right here. Just very lightly go draw two little curves. And I'm basically going to build an oval. So from here, I'm just going to come around, oops, and build my oval. And connect it. There. So it's just an oval, but there's a little dip right on the top. And from there, let's come right in the center and we're just going to draw a curve or smile. And cap it off. Okay, so then from there, we're going to come up and in this area to the side right here, we're just going to draw a straight line for the eyes. And another one right here. And then on top of this line, we're going to draw a curve. So right here, just going to draw a curve going this way and another one going this way on the other side. So let's come in here. I'm just going to thicken the eyebrow area. There. It's super cute, right? And silly. Okay, so then from there we're going to find our center, come up, and we're basically just going to draw his head, which is a heart. So, bubbly heart. So I'm going to come up, say about right here, right in the center. Just give myself a point. And from there I'm going to go up with a big curve. So this side is going to be taller, this side of the heart. So we're just going to go up and say about right here, around. And then let's come down to the other side. So about right here, I'll start the other part of the heart on the other side. And it's going to be lower. And bring it down. And let's start to slowly build our heart on both sides. So back and forth, just so you can see a little better what you're drawing with this heart. And I'm just going to slowly bring it in. Right under the mouth right here. So we're going to aim to come under the mouth area for our center. Okay, we're almost there. Oops. And so in this area, I'm going to start to dip it a little bit more and then aim to come back up. So about right there, I'll just soften the end right here and bring it up. There. That's my kind of like a peach heart, right? So there, I got the head in. Now for the little body. So we're gonna come right here underneath. It's in this area. I'm gonna draw this little cute little body that's dancing. So right here, I'm just gonna draw a little curve. And then from there, I'm gonna draw the leg that's coming up. So it's gonna be like a knee. So about right here, I'm gonna come with a curve that touches that point, comes down. And we're gonna bring it back up. Looks kind of weird, right? It's all gonna come together. So from there, now we have this curve and this leg right here. We're gonna come about right here. We're just gonna draw an opposite curve. So come about right here. And just bring it in and tuck it right under. So this is little bottom. And then from there, let's come up here and it's another curve for the hands. So it's gonna flare out and in. So by drawing this curve in first, it just makes it a little bit easier to figure out the other curves. Okay, so from there, let's draw the other hand. So about right here. This one's simpler, so we're just gonna tuck in curve. And then another one right here for the other leg. So right in this corner right here, just bring out another curve and tuck it back in. And that's it. So then now let's come in here very lightly and I'm just gonna add some polka dots. Very lightly. I'm I'm just going to add, say, I think there's a center one right here. And another one here. And one more right here. There. And then if you want, you can add some music notes. So maybe about right here, I'll just add a little music note. And one here. Just to make it extra fun. And one more. There, super cute, right? And very, very silly. So now that we're done drawing it, let's go ahead and color it. So there, hope you guys love my drawing of Tata from BT21, and thanks so much for all your requests and introducing me to these new characters. I can't wait to draw more of them for you. So thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.